Look at it. Oh! Hey, we had so much fun with this bubble maker last night. This thing is incredible and especially great if you host a lot of parties or if you own a bar. But essentially what this does is it blows a huge bubble of smoke filled bubble and you can place it right on top of your drink. You can actually float it in the air as well. My daughter had so much fun with this. She went a little wild and the whole room was pretty smoky after only a few minutes, unfortunately. But the way that this works is it does come with four oil canisters that you can, with different flavors. There's like coffee, not so much flavors, but aromas. Coffee, lemon, apple, and hickory. And then you put it into the canister and you pop it right into here, and then you attach the muzzle and you're good to go. It does include its own bubble mix, which is a super strong mix for a really strong bubble. I was really surprised by it. Essentially, you just dip it and then you push the smoke mode and you can create some really amazing bubbles. It's a great party trick and it really big crowd pleaser. There's also a fan mode, which can create transparent bubbles, or you can just use it to kind of fan away the smoke. But I'm a big fan of the smoke mode, which is amazing. Overall, we really had so much fun with this, and I would recommend this for anyone who's a fan of hosting parties. But hope you all found this helpful. Thank you for the brand for sending out the sample, and have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.